Today we are starting for basic third year students, paper 4th. So, paper 4, first unit, plant physiology. Plant physiology is a branch of biology which deals the complete physiological structures, physiological functions of the organism. That is, so the first one, plant relations, plant water relations. In this unit we have discussing about movement of water and what are the nutrients are very important for plant growth and development, and minerals, photosynthesis, respiration, phytohormones. These are the things we are discussing this plant physiology. First of all, we need to start the chapter transport in water. Before that, what is the relationship between water and plant? That is, first of all, water. Water plays main role in plant growth and development. Water plays main role in plant body for mainly growth and development. Growth and development is mainly depends on water. Many physiological functions and metabolic activities, biochemical reactions, these are all totally depends on water. Next, actually in living organisms body, 90% of water present, 90% of water which is present in living organisms. Living organisms. It is very important to plays main role in development of the plant body. Next, importance of water. Importance of water. What is the importance of water in plant body? Water plays main role in the plant body, which is helps in maintenance of the protoplasm. So without water, the protoplasm will becomes too dry. So without water, the protoplasm will becomes too dry. Protoplasm without water, there is no availability of the water to the protoplasm. The protoplasm will be dry. Next, many biochemical reactions. They are under controlled by water. Water plays main role in biochemical reactions. What type of biochemical reactions? In case of starch is changes into glucose or nothing but sugar. The photosynthetic end product starch is changes into, that is, sugar. By this process water is required. By this process water is required. In this process C6H12O5 starch changes into the help of H2O changes into C6H12O6, that is glucose. Starches changes into sugars, that is with the help of water. Next, many enzymatic reactions are takes place. Many enzymatic reactions. Enzymatic reactions which are under controlled by water. Without water, enzymes are not works properly. Like that is polypeptide chain formation. Polypeptide chain formation. Next, interconversion of carbohydrates. Interconversion of carbohydrates. which are mainly under control in, that is the water. Biochemical reactions and metabolic activities are under controlled by water, like photosynthesis, respiration, next translocation of substances, next seed germination, and development of the seeds. So these are all the functions are mainly under control in, that is water. With the help of water, this type of all functions are will done, means photosynthesis, respiration and translocation of the substances, either food, next seed germination. These are the activities are under control in water. Next, hydrolysis of water, which is very important. Hydrolysis of water. What is mean by hydrolysis of water? Hydrolysis of water means water splits into 2 electrons plus 2 protons. That is photolysis of water in photosynthesis. This reaction gives water donates pair of electrons, pair of protons for to synthesis of ATP, NADH2 are the products. ATP and NADH are the energy currencies which are synthesized by water. The water gives protons and electrons. That protons and electrons are ultimately to formation of, that is ATP NADH2 formation. Next, translocation of solids. So translocation of solids. Many solids, substances which are moves. Translocation of solids and substances within the plant body with the help of water. Now, and fertilization of gametes. Fertilization of gametes also, which is depends on water. Next, structure of water molecule. The water molecule structure is mainly 2 hydrogen molecules are binds with oxygen. 2 hydrogen molecules are attached with oxygen. In case of this is oxygen and 105 degrees of angle, these hydrogen molecules will be attached. So hydrogen molecule. Next, structure of water molecule. Actually, water is available in different forms: liquids, solids, and gases. So, 2 hydrogen molecules binds with 1 oxygen molecule. 2 hydrogen molecules are binds with 1 oxygen molecule. In case of this is oxygen, hydrogen and hydrogen, 2 hydrogens are binds with, that is oxygen, with the help of 105 degrees of angle. 2 hydrogens are attached with oxygen with the help of, the distance 105 degrees of angle. In case of this is oxygen hydrogen and hydrogen, here hydrogen, here oxygen, oxygen, hydrogen and hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen and hydrogen, oxygen and oxygen. Like many substances which are oxygen binds with 2 molecules of hydrogens, oxygen binds with 2 molecules of hydrogen, oxygen binds with 2 molecules of hydrogen, here also oxygen binds with 2 molecules of hydrogen, and here also hydrogen. This is the structure of water molecule, mainly which is oxygen is attached with every 2 molecules of hydrogens, which is 105 degrees of angles. Oxygen attached with two hydrogen bonds with the help of 105 degrees of angle. This is the water relations. What is the importance of water in plant body? Next class we are discussing about transport of water in plant body.